Hey everyone, it's Randy and Fonda Hatmaker with Hatmaker Homes, brokered by EXP. We want to talk to you today about the COVID-19 and the real estate industry and some of the added measures that we've enhanced our business with during the no contact stay at home order. We are considered essential business. Now you might ask yourself, why is real estate considered essential business? You've got to put yourself in the buyer and seller's place. Perhaps they're relocating for a job. Perhaps they just got married and it's their first home. Perhaps their lease is coming up. That is why it's considered essential. Your home is probably your most important asset to you. So therefore, put yourself in their position. They are in need of a home. So some of the differences in today's real estate is we're doing a lot of digital signatures instead of in-person signing. We're also doing virtual open houses. We're not driving the client around. We're meeting them or caravanning from address to address. We're doing a whole lot of wiping down with antibacterial wipes. We're also doing some Zoom meetings with our sellers to present offers when they've got offers. So we're really embracing technology to get it done. We're also doing video tours. But Randy, I really want you to tell them, what does a typical in-person showing look like now?
A typical in-person showing will arrive in separate vehicles. Us, the agents, will go and we'll use our hand sanitizer and our disinfectant wipes. We'll wipe down the lockbox, the doorknobs. We'll enter the home. We'll use the wipes to turn on the light switches, open all the doors. We'll wipe down the counter. We'll leave the MLS sheet and documents there on the counter. And we'll exit the home and let the clients come in and they'll have a look. And after they leave the home, we'll do the same process in reverse, wiping everything down and locking the home up and securing the home using the disinfectant wipes. And we'll meet with the clients in the yard.
And
we'll be observing the 6 to 10 foot rule in the yard. And if they love the home and they want to make the offer,
we will do it digitally. But the one thing that I hate that's changed our business right now is that we don't get to do hugs. We have to air hug instead of buy a bear hug when they find the perfect address. So guys, your agent is taking extra measures for your safety, for their safety, but people still need homes. And the last time I checked, real estate industry made up 17% of the economy. So we want to keep it going as much and as safely as possible. Thank y'all so very much.
Thanks everybody for watching.